For this book is 953, and Hit Calculate Sales is making approximately 2,274 sales per month. And I come here, average royalty is 324, but I'm going to show you all of where I got all these settings. So we're going to do a quick calculation. Royalty is $324 times 2,274 for the sales per month. Actually, let's start with 152. So this book is making approximately $492 per day, and per month it's gonna be 2274 times royalty is 324 times 324 3.24. So this book is making approximately $7,000. Actually, to be specific, $7,367 in a month just on one book. So in this video, I want to show you the top 5 Father's Day niches. So if it's something you're interested in, keep watching to the end. And if you like to watch videos like this in the future, do well to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn on the bell notification. Without further ado, let's get right into it. This is the book I was talking about, actually right here. This is the rank 953, and as you can see in the beginning, I was showing you that the rank is 953, and these are the approximate sales that it's making per month, and the price is $8.99, like I put here, $8.99, and the 106 pages come here, 106 pages. So those where I get the settings from, and it's told me that this book is making approximately $3.24 per sale. So I did some calculations, and that gave me approximately $7,000 per month for this one book alone. So in this video, I want to show you 5 top ways, 5 top books that are doing well and that you can make your own book better. But these books are not the types that are not the regular ones that I show, like coloring books, activity books, word searches, things like that. I was looking for books that are different for Father's Day, because we know that everyone is like a low barrier of entry. Everyone is just gonna enter and flood into coloring book niches for Father's Days and things like that. But I wasn't searching for books like that. I was searching for different books. So I gathered 5 of those books for you that are doing well, so you can make those books and upload them as fast as possible, because Father's Day, the faster your books are up there, the better you're gonna start making sales as soon as possible. So this is the first niche. It is a bad dad jokes book, and it says exceptionally bad dad jokes, so frighteningly awful yet wonderfully spiffing. So this is the best book of all, BSR rank 953, and let's take a look inside actually. So look inside. What is this book all about? So I'll do a quick scroll. It has here dear, then you have from, write a short note there. Then it's a black and white book, guys. And right here it says, how does a penguin build its house? It glues it together, like it glues, then it glues. I don't know if you guys understand. So it glues it together. I don't know how this is a bad joke. A jumper cable walks into a bar. The bartender says, I'll serve you, but don't start anything. It's not quite funny. For me, I don't know about you guys. Let me know in the comment section below. Have you ever heard of a musical group called Cellophane? They mostly rap. Oh, yeah. A little bit funny. What did baby corn say to mama corn? Where's popcorn? Are these jokes for kids? They're not really funny for me, guys. I don't know about you. But anyway, people are loving it. Let's take a look at the ratings, see what people are saying. Um, we want to learn one or two things about this book. Why is it doing quite well? So this one says repetitive jokes. It's a good book, but the price is not worth it. A couple of jokes were repeated, which is kind of irritating. So, guys, definitely do not repeat jokes if you are making a book like this. We want to do a book that is better, and we don't want to repeat anything. So, I purchased this book as a stocking stuffer for my brother who's expecting his first child. Just after Christmas, I thought it would be a really funny gift for a new dad. Plus, he loves a corny dad joke. However, the book is of poor quality, full of typo. So, guys, please try to make your book exclusive of typo errors. Some so so much that the jokes are actually backwards, and some jokes are incomplete. Also, several of the exact same jokes are repeated here. Someone already talked about that. This makes it more annoying than funny, to be honest. I thought this book would be a great idea, but I'm pretty dissatisfied with this purchase. So, spelling errors again. So, guys, take a look at your book before you purchase so you don't make errors like that. So, that's what I've learned from this book. That um, these are the things that you can make better because we're trying to make a book that is better. And this is A plus content. I don't know if you guys know about A plus content. If you want me to make a video about it, also let me know in the comment section below. It's very easy to create, but it adds more value to your book, as you can see right here. So the book has A plus content. If you want to learn more about A plus content, let me know in the comment section below. What else can we learn from this book? It's doing quite well, so want to learn something. Um, Oh, it has a promotion, guys. So it has a extra savings, 50% off gift wrap. This is the code. Maybe that's why people are purchasing it more because it has a 50% code. So if you're making your books, I'm sure this is from Amazon Central because that's where you can apply codes like this. Amazon Seller Central. I don't think it's a KDP book, but it says look inside, so I'm quite confused right now. So, what else can we learn from this book? Let's take a look at the back part of the book. So, this one here says, to whoever stole my copy of Microsoft Office, I will find you. You have my word. So, these are examples of the books, examples of the jokes that are in the book. So, this is on the back cover. A police officer caught two kids playing with a firework and a car battery. He charged one and let the other one off. So these are examples, huge examples of what you can find in the book. Because, like I always say, that some people don't have, some people are purchasing using their phones, and on their phones you can't find this look inside feature. This look inside feature is only found on laptops. I don't know about tablets, but the truth of the matter is that some people don't have access to this look inside feature. So the A plus content is a way to showcase the inside of your book as well as the back of your book like this. Some people don't even scroll right down. So when you put the jokes on the back of your book like this, people can easily see it and decide if they want to purchase it or not. Plus, they are running coupons and they have the book is in a series. So that's one or two things I will learn about this book while it's doing quite well. So this one too is volume 2, and yeah, they have volume 1 and 2. So if one book is doing well, you can make another one and put it in the series so that people can just easily click and purchase it. Like I just found it, the second book. The first niche was a bad dad joke, but the second one is a dad joke book. It's also doing quite well. Look at the BSR, guys, 3,000. So, so probably this one is a good dad joke book, and the first one is a bad dad joke book. So that's the difference, guys. This is a second niche, a um good or a dad joke book, the good one, funny one. So let's take a look at inside and see what we can learn. So look inside. So this one says, how does a one-armed man tie his shoe single-handedly? What award did the Knock Knock joke writer win? The Nobel Prize. What sits on the bottom of the sea and searches a nervous wreck? What do you call a person with nobody and no nose? Nobody knows. That is a little bit funny. Anyway, so that's the second one, the good dad joke book, as I call it. So the next one, niche number three, the pregnancy guide for men, guys. So who would have thought about this one? And the ultimate first time dad's handbook on what to expect having a baby and becoming a new father. So actually this one is in a series, as I can see right here. It says one book of three. So the book is actually doing quite well, and that's why they've put it into a series. So this book one, book two, book three, the new baby guide for dads, the toddler guide for dads. So this person made toddler, new baby, and pregnancy guide for men. So this is a book that you can purchase on Father's Day for men who are expecting babies, and it's going to be quite helpful, guys. So this is a very thoughtful gift for those who are expecting babies on Father's Day, and those who already have toddlers, you can give it to them too. So this is a niche number three. Niche number four is that I want to hear your story. So this is a guided journal about your father's life. So it has prompts inside that you can fill. Let's take a look inside. This book belongs to. Okay, is that all? um, Everything has been taken by the copyright page. Can't even say anything. So this one says, that I want to hear a story is a place for fathers to tell their tales and create. Anyway, I want to see the interior, not actually learn more about the book. But let's go to the ratings and see what they have to say about it. So go to 4,000 ratings. Yeah, here you see the interior of the book. So let's take a look at this one. This one says more songs about that, more songs about that. I thought it's not that great. There's tons of random pictures, quotes in there that you could easily find online that take up about half of the book. At least one or two of them had typos like TRY were just pulled, like they were just pulled from Google search. And there's random things like that songs. I asked for a book for him to tell me things like the title suggests, not where half of the book is filled. Wow, this is crazy. I was also expecting it because he said it's a journal, right? A journal prompt that you can fill, that can tell your story by filling in the prompts. But I wasn't expecting to see these guys. So this is not great. If you're doing this, just omit these songs because not everybody knows the songs and not everybody likes the song. So it's weird to write songs like this. Anyway, next, an error right there. So Amazon sometimes messes your books. Pictures explain it all, fingerprints and bent corner. How do I contact customer service? Yeah, I once had a problem like this with one of my books. Actually, Amazon just didn't print it well, so I had a negative review. But I contacted them and they stripped off that negative review. It was not my part of the book. It was not from me making the book. It was them from producing the book. So they removed the negative review. So if you have a negative review like this, definitely reach out to Amazon. If it's not coming from you and it's coming from Amazon, they're gonna help you out. So I encourage you to do that. So this is our um, fourth niche. So our fifth niche, last niche for the day, is this little book about. Anyway, let's take a look at it on Amazon itself. So this book says a little book about my awesome dad, filling in a blank book with prompts for kids to fill. So it's also a journal filling in the book for that. So let's take a look inside, see how well it's doing. Oh wow, so cute. Um, all about my amazing dad. My dad is that years old. His favorite food is Dash. He loves to watch Dash. I think my dad looks the most handsome wearing Dash. My dad is so this one is mainly for kids. My dad is so special because that three words I would use to describe my dad. So this one is for kids. The other ones we've seen was mainly for adults. You had Feeding the Black Tell Your Storybook for that. But this one is for kids. So if you want to purchase something for kids, you want to make something for kids, make it like this, very no colorful, like with so many images in it like this. But it's black and white, no color inside. So that means that the person is going to be making profit. As soon as you include color inside, your profits is going to reduce if you have your paperback price at this. So this book is made up of the third one or three books in the series. I just always like to see the books in the series. So this one is for dad, for mom, and grandpa. So most people make books for dads and they don't include grandpas. They don't make books for grandpas. So I encourage you to make books for grandpas because the son or the um, grandchildren like to give books to grandpas on Father's Day, and they can give books like this. So this one is already selling quite well on 4.5 on 5. So I encourage you to make books about grandpas too. The books about stepdads, because stepdads are often forgotten, but include them too. Don't just make a generalized book for that. You can make a book for dad, make a book for stepdads, and make a book for granddads. So guys, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about pre-nursing and KDP, there's a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first one to find when I release a new video. That being said, see you on the next one.